Hola, welcome to Bubble Spanish, and today in this class we will learn about numbers, that how numbers are said in Spanish. So by the way, this word numbers are called as números in Spanish. So starting from 0, I will teach you how to say these numbers. But by the way, you can see over here that I have mentioned here how we will say it or how we will write in words. So starting from 0, cero for 1, uno, 2, dos, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20, 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29, 30, 30. So from 0 to 30 you have to memorize it very precisely, and after 31 we will learn how we say it. So if we have to say 31, we will say it as 30. 30 means here you can see 30, 31. So you can see this alphabet over here, it is Y, but in Spanish it is not Y, it means and. Okay, and how we pronounce it? We pronounce it as E. E. So if suppose that we have to say 32, so we will say it as 32. 30 means 30, E means and, dos means 2. Similarly, we will say it till 39. That means 39. After that 40 will come, right? So we don't say 30 for 40. We say it as 40. So for 41, 41, 42, 43. Similarly till 49, that means 49. After that 50 will come. So how we say 15 in Spanish? We say it as 50. So 51, 52, 53 till 59. That means till 59. After that 60 will come. How we say 16 in Spanish? We say it as 60. 60. So for 61, 61, 62, 63, and we will say similarly till 69. That means 69. After that 70 number will come. How we say 70 in Spanish? We say it as 70. 70. So you have to focus here. For 60 it is 60. For 70 we say it as 70. T is here, okay? For 71, 61. For 72, 62. For 73, 63 till 79. That means 69. After that 80 will come. We say 80 as 80. 81, 82, 83 till 89. That means 89. After that 90 will come. So how we say 90 in Spanish? We say it as 90. For 91, 91. For 92, 92. For 93, 93. It will be continued till 99. That means 99. After that 100 will come. How we say 100 in Spanish? We say it as 100. 100. But remember here, for 101, we will say it as ciento uno. Ciento will be used, okay? So ciento uno for 102, ciento dos for 103, ciento tres, and similarly it will be continued. By now looking at big numbers such as 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 7, 8, 9 or 1000, how we say it? We will say it as, for 200 we will say it as dos ciento. For 300, tres cientos. For 400, cuatro cientos. 500, quincientos. 600, seis cientos. 700, setecientos. 800, ochocientos. 900, nuevecientos. And for 1000, mil. Now looking at some different numbers such as how we have to say 227. How we can say? We will say it as cuatro. Cuatro means 4. Cientos means 100. That means 400. And veintisiete. Veintisiete. That means 27. Now 518. Cien. Cientos. Dieciocho. For 657. Seiscientos. Cincuenta y siete. Cincuenta means, right, 850. E means and. Siete means 7. Now for 789. Setecientos, that means 700. Ochenta, that means 80. Y, that means and nueve, that means 9. For 867, ochenta cientos, that means 800. Sesenta, that means 60. Y and siete, that means 7. For 916, novecientos, novecientos, dieciséis, that means 916. So like this we will say it. So you can just go back in this video and try to note down in your note copy or notepad, or you can just watch this video multiple times so that you can memorize them. Even though you can also watch them on weekly basis so that your revision will be done properly. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give a like on this video and subscribe the channel for more learning such Spanish.